Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Today is another online entrepreneur journey update, guys. I'm taking off a break for this day. So I'm going to be talking about what I've been working on, and also recently I launched a new update. So I'm going to be talking about that as well, and also why I'm taking off for this, like why I'm taking off for this day, and all the things about my own online entrepreneur journey. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. And also, if you want the free stuffs for making money online, the link is in description box below. You can very well check it out. There are so many links, whichever thing you like, you can click on that link and you can get that stuff. Okay, let's talk about today's entrepreneur journey update. Now it's not today, it's about from few days. Now I've been really really working so hard from almost a week or so. Like I wasn't listening to my body and I was like working. Yesterday only I was on my bed, like I was finished up with my work, and it was around like 7:30 in the evening, and I was sitting on my table and was just relaxing and all, having my dinner and finally finishing up, wrapping up for the day. I realized that at 9:30 I was really feeling so tired. Like I haven't felt so tired in about months, really. I was so tired. I was freaking out and I was sneezing, coughing, and all those kind of stuffs were showing off. And I was like, why the hell I'm feeling so tired? I've been working so hard and I'm feeling so harsh, and I'm having cough and sneezing and all those kind of symptoms I'm having. Why is that so happening? Then I just recap the previous day's schedule, and I felt like, oh, I've been working so hard, that's why this thing is happening with me. So yesterday I decided I need to go to the bed so early, so I just go at 9:30. Usually I go around 11 or maybe 12, depending on whatever I'm doing at the night and whatever my night routine look like. I know that's a little bit late. Many entrepreneurs usually go at the bed at 10 or 10:30. So I'm kind of like shifting my schedule, especially my night routine, from 12 o'clock to sleep at night to maybe 10:30 or 11 o'clock, because that's too late to sleep at 12 o'clock. So of course I am more of a night person, guys. I am more active at the night. I can set the routine, the schedules more at the night rather than in the morning. I don't like the morning that much. Like if I wake up early at 6:30 or 5:30, I feel tired and I don't have that much energy to actually work on the day. I don't like morning that much as I like the night. On the night, I can prepare the schedule for my entire week, for my entire month, what I need to work upon, what are the things I need to incorporate, and all those things I can prepare in the night. But in the morning, I don't feel like doing it. To shift my routine from so much of the 12 o'clock sleeping at night to maybe 10:30 or 11, because that would be more healthy for me. So yesterday I slept early, and today I woke up and I really told myself I am taking this break. Like I am taking this off for this day, because it's so much of the work from the past few days and I haven't been taking care of myself too. Like I was overdoing these stuff, working so hard. Now I really want to tell you one thing, guys. I don't really enjoy writing the blog article. Honestly, I don't enjoy it, but I got one of the blog article requests from one of the company and I wrote the blog article. Now that company is really amazing, and I've been in contact with that person who is that part of the company and that software and all, and he asked me some help, maybe I can do or not. He just asked me, like it wasn't a compulsory, it wasn't a necessary for me to write a blog article for that, but I really did it because I want to give it a try. Like I am always open to new opportunities, new things, so I just want to give it a try. And that blog article really took me 2 hours to write. Like 8 minutes of blog article took me 2 hours, really. And if I'm making these YouTube videos, I'm recording 10 minutes of the YouTube videos, it hardly take me an hour, that's all. it doesn't take me that much of time to record the YouTube videos rather than writing a blog article. So I'm not good at writing, but anyhow I did it and I finished up with that blog article. Hopefully it's good. In that article, I'm gonna leave in the description box the link of that article, or you can simply go over to globoarte.info/blog, and the first blog article that will going to pop up would be that blog article only. You can very well read it. Schedule look like, and I feel burnout, so I've decided to take off. I'm going to be doing less work. Once I finish up recording with this video, then I'm not gonna be doing anything for today, and will be taking a break off and day off so that I can prep myself for the next upcoming few days, because it's the high time for the holidays. And I told you guys a lot many times, don't overdo, you would going to get burnout. It happens with me, my own personal experience, so that's why I talk a lot about that. Now let's talk about the updates. The recent update, guys, we have launched our first ever art magazine app. Of course, we were having the art magazine app before that, but that was kind of like just so people can click on the links and can watch our videos, and all those kind of trainings and free stuffs was there. Like, you can't read the magazine in the form of flip books on that art magazine app. But now we recently launched a new magazine app that is basically a web app, not a mobile app, but of course you can run it on the mobile as well. You can download that app and then you can read the magazine in your mobile application itself. Like, you don't need to go to the website to read the magazine. Before that, in that previous art magazine app, we were like, if someone want to actually read the art magazine, they need to go to the link that is taking them to the website, and then they need to make a purchase and read the magazine. But for this time, we make our own magazine app where we are having art magazine in that app itself, so people don't need to leave the app and go to the website to make a purchase for the magazine. And also we have started with the flip books. That's pretty amazing, isn't it, guys? Whenever you're getting an offer to actually flip the books and read the magazine, flip it, read it, flip it, read it. So that kind of art magazine app we launched, where people can read the art magazine in the form of flip books. It's highly digital, high resolution files, and you will pretty going to amazingly love the idea of reading the books or print magazine or magazine, whatever it is, in the form of flip books. You can check out that magazine app. The link is in description box below. You can simply go over to that website and click on that link, that web app on your mobile, and then read the magazine. As simple as that, isn't it? So we have launched that recent updates, and I've been working on that update. In fact, I've been working on that magazine app. Now, guys, I'm not a coding expert, really. I'm not a coding expert, so it really took me a time to actually find the right kind of software that could help me to make that app, to convert my PDF format of the magazine into the flipbook. So I really taking a lot amount of time to do the research to actually find that kind of software that allowed me to convert my PDF into flipbook, and then I found the one amazing software, that's the HeyZin. I bought that software and I converted my PDF into the flipbooks. That's pretty amazing software. I really love that. So this is the recent update, guys. So I would be taking a break off from my day, and maybe would be actually reflecting on my few days back journey, like why I was overdoing so much. When we are in a mindset of actually achieving our goals, we just keep on doing the things without actually thinking, do we really need to do that? Is it really important? Is it really necessary? Could we just do it on the another day? Like, we need to finish up so much task or so many tasks in just one day. Is it really important? Can we shift this to the next day? Is that possible? So we really don't ask such questions when we are in a mind of actually being creative, working. So I just gonna reflect today on my few days back, just going to write in my journal, in my diary, like what I was overdoing, how I can actually reduce it. And most of the things that I did for the few days, but wasn't really necessary, guys. Wasn't really necessary. Like, I could do it on the next week as well, or maybe the next month as well. It wasn't that important. I just want to make my new schedule for this mid of the October, because in the beginning, first few week or maybe first half of the month of the October was really busy. I was like overdoing a lot of the work that really took me in the phase of actually taking a day off. Also, guys, do let me know any doubts, any comments, any questions do you have for your own print on demand journey. Likewise, I'm really here to reply to the comments. And also, if I don't reply to the comments, don't think that I'm not reading that comments. Maybe I'm prepping videos for that particular comment, so maybe I won't reply to that. Because yesterday, or I think a few days back only, I got one of the comments regarding the fan art. Like, can I upload the athletic player fan art as a print-on-demand design on Redbubble or not? Is it safe or not? Then I was like thinking about it, and then I did a research, and then I thought that this is the topic to make a complete video on, because many people would be having a similar doubt, because trademark and copyright is a little bit complicated as it may seem to, and also the things are a little bit more complicated and go with a little bit more complex. So I really want to make that video. So yesterday I made that video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. It will really going to help you clear your doubts about the trademark and copyright, and to be safer side for your shop, and to not get into that copyright strike and in resulting your account suspended and banned. So let me know your comments, your questions, your doubts, your questions, whatever it is in the comment section below. I'm gonna read it. Maybe I will reply to you, maybe not. Then I'm gonna be researching about it, and maybe I could make the video on that entire topic. If it is that particular question is that complicated, I could make an entire video topic on that. But do let me know in the comment section below. So I'm taking a day off, guys. This is just an online entrepreneur journey update. I've been talking about what I've been working on for you days, the recent update about my art magazine. Make sure to check out new magazine app. The link is in description box below. You can click on that link, simply download that application on your mobile app, and then read the magazine in the form of flipbook. Now, just now we have launched our October issue in the form of flipbook on that magazine app. Soon we will going to be adding upcoming future magazines as well, like the November, December, and so on and so forth. But right now we only have converted one PDF into the flipbook. That was the October issue. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Did you ever burned out in your entrepreneur journey? Did you ever feel like you want to take a break, or you want to take a complete day off, like feeling like burned out or tired, or feeling like your body can't move further to actually work on your goal? Do let me know in the comment section below, because we can connect and we can talk more about it, because this is a topic that is so much relatable to me, because I overdo a lot many times without even giving a second thought. Do I really need to do that? Is it really necessary? And I just overdo the things and resulting in the burnout. And then finally I have to take a day off, maybe a week off, and just relaxing, recamming, and reflecting back on my journey, and just trying to relax my body. And of course, one thing I'm going to talk about over here, guys, being a female, it's a little bit different than being a male. Of course, male and female, I'm not discriminating between them, but the body of the female is different from the male. So we have the different system. If you are the female, you would be having a different system in comparison to the male. So you need to work accordingly. You don't feel like working, that's okay. You can take a day off, you can take a complete week off, reflect, or maybe calm, watch some amazing movie. Hopefully you find today's video useful and maybe relatable to you if you are also taking a day off, or even if you're thinking to take a day off. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. I really love to hear your comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.